Hello YouTube, welcome back to Flight 6677. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take a look at this ESC and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, let's talk a little bit more details about this ESC. Let me just show you the build quality. This is the SEQURE 14200 Pro. It takes from 5 to 14S LiPo, 200 amps. The BEC is from 15 amps to 35 amps max. It has 8 gauge 10 gauge power connectors. These are 10 gauge. And the motor connectors are 8 gauge. It comes with a fan that sits here and connects to this power. And also you can get a programming link. The ESC is new. I haven't seen this model before, but I've promised to take a look at it, install it in one of my EDFs, most likely a larger 105mm EDF. Let me tell you a little bit about this ESC from what I've learned so far. It has a processor, the STM32G071 processor. It takes an input voltage of 5 to 14S, as I noted earlier. The current continuous load is 200 amps, and it can go up to a maximum burst of 350 amps. This, you can select what firmware comes with it. I have the AM32 here. This obviously supports programming. You could do the timing, you could do the current detection and telemetry. The Pro version comes with the BEC that could be adjusted to up to 12 volts from 6 volts, 7.4 volts, all the way to 12 volts with 15 amp continuous power from up here, which is pretty good. The fan that comes with it is a 5 volt and it ties into the same port. You have another BEC supply port on this side. The product weighs about maybe about 200 grams combined. If you add the connectors for your motor and everything, the battery, it's going to be close to 300 some grams, as noted here. Oops. You can see 300, almost 300 grams. All right, in closing, stay tuned. I'm going to be installing this in my EDF, and we'll see how she does. Very impressive, at least on the looks. Check it out on the link below.